Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, I have this awesome mini wireless touchpad keyboard. So it's called the H18 Plus. So I definitely lost the remote to my smart TV, and I was gonna buy a universal remote from Best Buy, and it was just outrageously expensive because I'm cheap. And I came across this on Amazon, and I read the reviews. It says it was pretty cool. It comes with a small USB adapter that you plug into the back of your smart TV or laptop. You can actually put this on a laptop or desktop, whatever. I'm using it for my smart TV. I already plugged it in the back of my TV here, but I just wanted to show you guys the actual pad. So it comes in this little film. Comes with this. Comes with a charger, USB to charge this. This has the little cover on it, like you know how when you buy a cell phone it has this little thing. It looks all scratched up, but I'm honestly not gonna take it off because I don't want to scratch the actual screen. If I can find like a little screen protector to put on, then maybe I'll buy that. Let's see if this is not a USB Type C. This is a, there we go. Let it focus. This is a mini micro. This is a micro. This is USB micro. So the ones that you use for your Galaxies, this works okay. It doesn't come with a power brick, so I'm fine with that. So it has a volume rocker over here, so you can actually turn up your TV. I'm going to show you a demonstration in a few minutes. This is to turn on the trackpad, so you flick it down. When you click this button, it turns on the key, so you can kind of see the keys. I don't know if you can kind of see the alphabet. This will tell you if the Bluetooth is registered, and this right here is for the power, right? And these are right click, this is left click. You actually can do the gestures, like if you have a Mac or a PC, you can use the 3 fingers to swipe between screens. On this, you'll be able to swipe between last apps used. So that's a pretty awesome feature. You cannot power on the TV with this remote. I haven't figured out how to do that, but you can reset the TV the same way you would reset a computer. So on the keypad, you hit Control, Alt, and then essentially delete, but it's the back button, and it'll reset your TV. So I'm going to power this on and show you a quick demonstration on how to use this. Okay, so I have my TV up, and this is the wireless keyboard pad. So like I said, when you click this button, it brings up the actual keyboard. If you can click the function to hit the other function keys that are in blue, right? So if I click it, it'll turn off, and I can turn it back on, right? So now I want to use the mouse function, right? I click it, and then as you see here, hold on, let me get some light going for you guys. Alright, so as I move my finger, you can see the mouse moving. So I can go down to my apps, you see, and you can still see the mouse here. So I can use the 3-finger gesture if I want to go back to live TV. Boom. And if I wanted to go back to my home, for this TV, I have a Hisense. I got this, I want to say 2014. My grandmother got this for me when I got my first apartment. So for the hotkeys to go back to the home, you hold Alt and Escape. Let's try this again. Alt, Escape. Why is this acting up with me? It's because I'm recording. Technology. Oh, there we go. It came back. So, and that's how you get back. So like I said, you can use the side to turn up the volume. If I turn it down, see the volume goes down. If I press it up, the volume goes up. I actually have Showbox on this smart TV. So let me go down. And this is completely wireless, guys. There's no wires connected to this. So if you want, I will leave a link down below on Amazon where you can find this. So to go through the apps, I actually have to use the tab button to go to like the next screen of the, I'm sorry, let me go back, click. So in order to go back to the other app page, I click tab, as you see, and it goes back here. If I click tab again, it'll go back to the next page, and then you just click the keyboard off and you remove your mouse. So I'm going to go to YouTube and show you the keyboard in action. Alright, so we're gonna use this. We're gonna type in let's search myself because I'm that conceited. Enter, and boom, I pop up. So that is using the keyboard. These are some of my videos. I have 97 subscribers, so please subscribe and like. Thanks for tuning in. Ajaxx out.